an independent body has to be given an access to areas alleged and always beyond ready to cooperate for investigation. Ethiopia is collapsing while the world is looking for a wrong medicine to save the country when it's too little too late. Failing to accept the realities as the cause of Ethiopia's demise today is a deliberate marginalization of the Oromo mass and distorting a century-long quest for self-determination of the Oromo nation and other oppressed nationalities in the country will result into an inevitable disintegration of those independent states. Today, neither Abiy Ahmed's deception nor international community's foul cry will save the plight of the nations of Ethiopia. Situations on the ground are far from what the world is observing on the TV screens. Things are out of control, and unlawfully declared state of emergency in almost all parts of the country solved nothing. That is today a sign of proof that shows Ethiopia is a failed state.
Zacharias, Ethiopia is a failed state. Also,